Module 6, Lab 4, Task 3, Clearing Linux Machine Logs Using the Bash Shell. All right, so on my Parrot security machine, we're going to open a mate terminal and type export hist size equals 0 and press enter. This will disable the bash shell from saving the history. All right, in the terminal window, we'll type in history. Tac C, which will clear the stored history. All right, this command is an effective alternative to disabling the history command. With tac C, you have the convenience of rewriting or reviewing the earlier used commands. All right, you can also use history W to delete the history of the current shell, leaving the command history of other shells unaffected. All right, we're going to type in shred tilde /dot bash underscore history and press enter, which will make the content unreadable. Now, this is useful in cases where an investigator locates the file. Because of this command, they would be unable to read any content in the history file. Now we can type in more tilde dot slash bash history. And that's going to view the shredded content or unreadable content, as you can see on my desktop. All right, Control Z to stop viewing the shredded history content. Or you can also use additional commands, shred or cat dev nulls into bash history and do multi-passes. So shred tilde dot slash bash underscore history ampersand ampersand history tac C to clear, ampersand, ampersand, exit, and string them all together. Okay, the first command shreds the history file, then deletes it, and finally clears the evidence of using the command. After this command, we're going to exit from the terminal window. All right, this concludes a demonstration of a few different ways to clear Linux machine logs using the bash shell. Close all open windows, and that completes our lab.